Hi, Miss Tess. Good
Hi, good
morning.
morning.
What can I do for you po?
Whatever makes me pretty.
Okay, sige po. So,
As long as my hair is not going to damage, that's all.
okay po, sige po. So, Miss Tess, a bit of history lang ng hair nyo. Ano po bang ginawa dito?
What are they just colored and then perm? That is about last August. But
Yung
after
perm
that,
nyo, is digital
No, no.
perm.
yun yung like a Korean, the one I show it.
Yung Korean
That's
perm.
about 2 years or 3 years ago.
Opo.
Then other than that, wala na. They just colored it and then they just cut it, leather it, and then that's it. But it's just the same with the curl on that.
Opo.
Yeah.
So, yung digital color nyo, digital perm nyo po is 2 years ago na.
Yeah.
Tapos yung color nyo is this one's 1 year ago lang.
Yes.
Okay. Then other than that, wala nang treatment, just a haircut lang. Okay. Sige po. So, ang main concern nyo is to change color, to cover your gray hair,
Yes.
the same time, mabigyan tayo ng magandang
Body niya na.
body and color.
Yeah.
Okay. Sige po. Okay. Sige, Miss Tess. Gawin na natin yung process. Tapos, babalik tayo, papakita natin.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Kanino plancha?
Plancha nyo kasi di niya matutunan yung plancha ko.
Sabi sa inyo, mahirap gamitin ng Dyson. Kamusta, Miss
Ako sana
Tess?
yun. Okay lang. Thank you very much. I love it. Yeah.
So, kamusta po yung color, Miss Tess?
Nice.
You really compliment your color naman po.
Oh, yeah. That's okay. Yeah. It's nice.
Ano na po, lagaan nyo ng mga foreign product na
Don't worry, I am for sale.
percent. So, yung 11 in 1, yung deep on,
Yeah.
kahit everyday nyo gamitin,
Okay.
basta sa dulo lang.
Okay, yeah.
Yung purple shampoo is, pag nakikita nyo na nag-fade
It
na
will
yung color.
fade.
Tapos yung hair mask is your parang hair conditioner at the same time treatment. So,
Okay.
pwede mo once or twice a week.
Okay.
Yun lang, Miss Tess, para maintain natin yung
Okay.
ganda.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Tess.
Okay.
Enjoy your hair po. Take care.
Yan na.
Thank you po.
Okay, thank you.